On the bin content for an item, you can set up a default bin. And the default bin is the bin that the system will suggest automatically when doing a receipt or a shipment, but only on non-directed put away and pick locations. This means on my scenario here, the main location will reflect to the default bin checkmark, but the VMS location that has a checkmark in directed put away and pick will not use the default checkmark. In this example, I have on one bin code lots of items on stock, and I have two smaller bin codes. So let's see how it's working here. I would suggest everything will be taken from this bin code, which is the default. And I can only have one default bin per combination of item number and location. So in this scenario, it says no go. So I can only have one. I have prepared an warehouse shipment to show you the example on the same item, of course, and when I create my pick, I would expect it to take all of it from one bin. The pick is created. I will navigate into the pick to check what it's done, and I can see here two pick lines coming from the same bin code. Let's try to delete the pick and recreate it after changing the default bin on the bin content. And I need to deselect it first, of course, to be able to set it on another line for the same combination. I only have 12 here, so I would expect it to take those first and then some of the others afterwards. Let's try it again. I will enter my warehouse shipment, the same one, and create pick the same way. And it's 25 pieces that I'm going to use. So I would expect it to have taken some of it from my default bins and the rest from one of the other bins. And if I'm checking in here, it's correct. The first 12 is emptying my default bin, and then the remaining quantity is taken from another bin. So the default bin is the preferred bin used on non-directed put away and pick locations.